Welcome back to No Onions Allowed, my keto kitchen. And today we're going to make French toast and grilled cheese sandwiches without using bread. You say, how are we going to do that? Well, just watch and learn. Watch and learn. Okay, first thing you need to do before we get started is you need to preset your oven to 350 degrees, okay? You need to get you a baking pan, a loaf pan, somewhat like this, okay? This one is a 9x5. I cannot find a smaller, like 8x4 one, so this one is a 9x5, this large, okay? You also will need your blender, because all the ingredients we use today are going to go into the blender, okay? You will need 8 eggs. You will need a half a stick of butter. You will need baking powder. And you will need vanilla extract. And you also will need coconut flour. Cream cheese. And I don't know if I said cinnamon. Cinnamon is an option. Ground cinnamon is an option. I'm going to omit it today because I'm using, not only am I making, I'm using this loaf to not only make French toast, but to also make grilled cheese, and I don't want cinnamon on my grilled cheese, so I'm going to leave that out today. Okay, we got our 8 eggs. We have half a stick of melted butter. Now the next ingredient would be the coconut flour, and we need 6 tablespoons of coconut flour. Tablespoon, you need 6 of those. We get 6 tablespoons. Coconut flour smells so good. All right. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. One teaspoon of baking powder. And then here's where you can put your dash of ground cinnamon, but I'm going to omit that today. No ground cinnamon. One ingredient, a whole block of cream cheese. You need that cream cheese. Whole block of softened cream cheese. Make sure it has been out all day or all night. It needs to be very soft. So this is a nonstick pan. I want to spread with olive oil still, just in case. We're going to pour it into our container. Alright, and then we're going to put this in the oven. And we're going to bake this for about 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome back. You just got the loaf out of the oven. See how beautiful that is? Beautiful. It smells wonderful. It smells wonderful. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this cool off 15-20 minutes. Then we'll come back and I'll show you all the things that I'm going to make with this loaf. Okay, welcome back. Now one thing I want to tell you, it was pretty high, so as it cooled, take it to the side. As it cooled, it got a little flat, a little deflated. That's okay. It smells so good, you guys. Slice. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's still warm. It looks like bread, man. So now what I'm going to make with the slices I just made, I'm going to make some French toast with it. And then cut 2 more slices that I'm going to use to make grilled cheese. Okay, so let's get over to the stove. Be right back. Okay, so what we have here is about a slither or a tablespoon of butter here in the skillet on high, and then I'm going to reduce it down to a medium high. Bread or egg loaf. And we'll keep that on until it gets a nice golden brown, and then we'll flip it to the other side. Alright, let's get some of these flipped. Oh, wow, let me tell you guys, it smells like French toast. Especially. Too thick. Okay, they're almost done. We'll get these served up on the plate and we'll be right back. Okay, next we're going to do our grilled cheese sandwich real quick. Hot. Golden and melt it. Okay, then we'll go ahead and flip it. Turn off the fire. The rest of that cheese. Look at that lovely cheese melting right there. to the plate. Okay guys, welcome back. So I have my French toast and I have my grilled cheese. And with the French toast, I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon on it while the butter's still nice and warm. Then I will go in with my sugar-free maple syrup. Alright, let's give it a test. Let's taste this bad boy. Oh wow. You would not think that this was made from egg. This tastes like French toast, like, for real. Unbelievable. Okay. In here, I'm gonna go in with the French cheese. The only thing I would suggest if you want to use this bread to make grilled cheese is to cut it much thinner than what I've cut it. So you get that kind of soft, eggy texture in the middle. In the middle of the bread. Oh, see? Look how thick I made this piece versus the other slice. I think that's why I'm getting that kind of eggy texture. But other than that, yeah, it works. It works. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And there you have it, guys. Many things you can do with egg loaf. Man, you can just eat it as egg in the middle of with bacon and you know, like just regular breakfast, I suppose. I like the grilled cheese though. It's working. It's working for me. Until next time, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can be notified every time I upload one of these awesome videos. And share it with a friend or family member who's thinking about or maybe have doubts about keto, thinking that maybe there's only certain foods they can eat. This would be a good video to show them that there's more versatile ways to do keto. So until next time, peace, love, and soul.